Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your account. Sign into a U.S. Apple ID on your iPhone and set a U.S. billing address. This is required because Apple Cash is region restricted. Next, add a U.S. issued debit or prepaid card to Wallet so Apple can verify your identity and enable Apple Cash. Once done, turn on two-factor authentication and install the latest iOS to avoid compatibility problems. Make sure you're signed into iCloud and Wallet with the same Apple ID before moving on to verification and funding steps. Now you verify and fund Apple Cash. You'll be prompted in Wallet to verify identity, follow prompts, upload ID, and confirm address. This unlocks higher limits and sending features. After verification, add money from your linked U.S. debit or prepaid card into Apple Cash. Transfers are usually instant or take one business day depending on the issuer. Once funded, set Apple Cash as your default payment method for Apple Pay so payments and transfers use your Apple Cash balance automatically without extra steps. Finish by practicing a small transaction. Send money via messages or tap to pay with Apple Pay to confirm everything works. If you want cash out, transfer your Apple Cash balance to a linked U.S. bank account. Otherwise, keep it for future payments. If something fails, make sure your Apple ID region remains U.S. The linked card allows digital wallet use, and two-factor authentication is active. If you still get blocked, contact the card issuer. Region restrictions or merchant rules often cause the issue, and they can clarify or lift holds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.